Ukrainian Air Force spokesperson informed that Russian Air Force have already deployed Su-57 aircraft for missile strikes on Ukraine's infrastructure, but they are attempting to keep it at safe distance as they are aware of potential threat posed by Ukrainian air defenses. Germany Army has received its first Boxer heavy weapons carrier vehicle from Rheinmetall, just 3 weeks after signing of contract. This new vehicle, armed with a 30mm automatic cannon and MELS anti-tank guided missiles, is intended to replace the older Wiesel-1 armored vehicle. German company Hensoldt will supply Ukraine with 6 more TRML-4D air surveillance radars to strengthen country's air defense. The payment is made by German government as part of military aid. The system is capable of detecting various airborne targets, including cruise missiles, as well as planes and helicopters maneuvering or flying at low altitudes. Israel is set to retire MIM-104 Patriot air defense system and replace it with domestically developed air defense systems after utilizing it for 40 years to safeguard its airspace.